Good morning, students. So, without wasting much time, let us go for exercise 3.2, problem number 4. Exercise 3.2, problem number 4. The question is, which of the following pair of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent? If consistent, obtain the solution graphically. Means if the system of the equation is consistent or even if it is dependent, means coincident lines, then we have to draw the graph. If it is inconsistent, means it does not have any solution and the two lines will be parallel to each other. So let us look now the problem number 1. First we'll solve algebraically, means we'll check the condition for the system of consistency. Then we'll go for the graph representation. I hope everyone are ready. Yes, good morning to one and all. Now note down the first question. Fourth problem of exercise 3.2. X plus y equal to 5 and 2x plus 2y equal to 10. By looking this, I can say this is, I think, coincident. Am I right? Anyone quickly? I think that it is an MCQ question. It's a multiple choice question. And tell me, am I right whether this is coincident? Yes, sir. Rutu has said yes, sir. Anita Devi Kingi has said yes, sir. Anish, yes, sir. Right. Okay. Even Nikhil, Anushri. Yes. How means? See here. The value of A1 here is 1. Here it is 2. 1 by 2. Again, B1 value is 1. B2 value is 2. 1 by 2. Both are equal. Now we have to check C1 by C2. Minus 5, minus 10, or even directly 5 by 10, 1 by 2. All are equal to each other. 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 2. Means A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. So system is consistent or dependent and it has infinitely many solutions. Yes, even Om Sai, Pramodini, Ziaul, Khushi, Sanjeev Reddy, Adarsh, Mahavir, Ashish, Samarth, everyone has said the right answer. So let me solve quickly then. First solution. So given, same like yesterday, I am solving it with systematic procedure. First problem, I will solve it with the full steps. Second and all, I will tell you directly the condition, then I will go for graphical if it is consistent. For exactly, given x plus y, 5 if it is goes to LHS part, it is minus 5 equal to 0, equation number 1, and 2x plus 2y minus 10 is equal to 0, equation number 2. So in the form of a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, in the form of a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. So a1 value is 1, b1 value is 1, c1 value is minus 5. A2 value is 2, B2 value is 2, and C2 value is minus 10. So we have A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. Substitute the values. 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 2 equal to minus 5 by minus 10. Minus minus cancel, 1s are 2s are. So 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 2. All are equal to each other. Therefore, A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. System is dependent. System is, you can say, either consistent or dependent and has infinitely many solutions. Okay, and it has infinitely many solutions. So what is according to the question? If the system is consistent, then we have to solve graphically. If not, as usual, like inconsistent, because two lines are parallel to each other. That conclusion we'll see if there are any such problems. So up to this, I hope everyone is clear. This is algebraic part, means theoretical part, what we have done. Now we have to check graphically. So now how to do graph? There are so many ways. I hope this one is clear to everyone, because already such problems we have solved yesterday. So now when I go for graph or for graphical representation, since now system is consistent, I have to solve it graphically. Okay. So what I will say again, I will take from 1 and 2 equation. What is the given? X plus y equal to 5. You can keep this constant in the RHS part only. Whatever is given, you can take it. X plus y equal to 5. I will write here. I will make one box. Then is like y equal to 5 minus x. Then you will substitute 2 or 3 values. You need not to do that. Just substitute once x0 and once y0. It is enough to join the two lines. Okay. So I will make this as x and y. This is for first one. Second equation is, I think, 2x plus 2y equal to 10. 2x plus 2y equal to 10. Again, same box I will make x and y. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is, try everyone. First substitute x equal to 0. Tell me what is the value of y. Then after that again substitute what is y value. Put substitute y as 0. Tell me what is the value of x. Similarly, even here. So totally 4 times you will solve. When x is 0, what will be your value? Draw this. I will give you time. There is no hurry that you have to complete it very fast. If you are doing in graph sheet, I think there is some ruled part also in your graph sheet. In that part, you make this thing. First equation, x plus y equal to 5 and a box. Then 2x plus y equal to 10, again a box. Here you can solve first condition when x is equal to 0. So what I can say, 0 plus y equal to 5, value I can write here as 5. Similarly, when y is equal to 0, I said once x equal to 0, 1, y equal to 0. Yes, many of them have answered. Wonderful, wonderful. I will read your names at the last. Everyone said 5. Yes, it's simple. So when y value is 0, x plus 0 equal to 5. So x value is also 5. So even this will be 5 here. Same procedure here. First one, when, I can take this as third, when x is equal to 0. Steps are more important. Solve systematically. There is no hurry. First problem will solve slow and steady. Okay. 2 into 0 plus 2y equal to 10. Anything which is multiplied by 0 is 0. So 2y equal to 10. 2 ones are 2 5s are. Value of y is 5. So here I will write it as 5. Next, fourth one, when y is equal to 0, when y value is equal to 0, 2x plus 2 into 0 equal to 10, 2x equal to 10, 2 ones are 2 5s are, value of x is also 5. See, since it is dependent, the values of x and y are same for both, means the points are same. Here I can say, therefore, a point is 0, 5 and point B is 5, 0. Always you represent Cartesian plane the points x, y. So A point 0, 5, B point 5, 0. Similarly, 0, 5 and D value 5, 0. So this is first systematic solution. Many of you have done. Yes, both values have said x and y. 2 minutes time will give. Complete this fast. Represent everything because you have to submit the graph sheets today. Whatever you have solved, you have to submit it today. Yes, they have infinitely many solutions, no doubt. You have done that already. First complete this, then I will go for graph. And even when we go for graph, important part here is a scale. Depending upon our x and y value, I have to decide. Okay, simply don't take negative values if there are any, if there is no negative value in the x and y. Whatever values are there, based on that, we can draw the graph. Yeah, x and y are same, that is fine. Why? Because they are dependent, coincident line. Each points are dependent on each other for the both equations. So now I'm going to remove this theoretical part so that I can draw a graph here. So be ready, take pencil, scale. Let us draw the graph for this. Yes. So I'm going to draw now graph. See here. Look at minimum value is 0, maximum value is 5. Minimum value is 0, maximum value is 5. Means there is no negative x axis. Similarly, y minimum and maximum 0 and 5, minimum and maximum 0 and 5. Even there is no negative y axis. So I can draw simply the first plane. Means as you have studied in the last year, this Cartesian system. Okay, first quadrant, second quadrant, third, fourth. So our range is only this part. So we can go for only first quadrant graph. The maximum value is 5 for both x-axis and y-axis. I will take 1 point extra. Either you can take scale 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit or 2 centimeter equal to 1 unit. Choice is yours. Okay, choice is yours. So let me draw the graph now. X, Y, origin. So maximum point is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One extra will take 6. And say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So everyone, please draw the graph. Don't do roughly, use pencil scale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so the points now we have to represent. Let me see. Point A 0, 5 means origin. X value is terminated to 0. Y value is 5. So here will be point A. Point B same. X value is now 5. Y value is terminated to 0. So this will be point B. Now I have to join this. For my understanding, I will use some different color so that the representation looks good. So this AB I will join. Okay, now this I have joined. But if you look at the point C and D, even both they are same. Even point C is 0, 5. Even point D is 5, 0. So I'll write here point C, here point D. So 0, 5, 5. And what equation is this? Both are same. So again I will use bluing. So x plus y equal to 5. 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. See here, A and C point both are 1 and the same. So 0, 5. D point and B point both are 1 and the same. So I have represented 5, 0. I hope now this is understood. But one thing is missing here, that is scale. Scale is most important, my dear students. It carries minimum half to 1 marks. X-axis, Y-axis. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 centimeter is equal to. We have taken 1 unit, 1 cent, because in graph sheet each box has 10 horizontal lines and vertical lines. So it depends on what value you take. If 10 lines represent 1 unit, okay, then each single line will consists of 1 by 10. If you take here 2 by 10, 0.2. So single line, the first line after 0, horizontal line, that will be 0.2. So this is how the scaling factor works here. Okay, so scale I'll write. So I have taken here 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. So x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. So complete procedure for 3 marks. This is how you have to solve. So please complete this first, then I will go for second problem, because I know it takes time to solve the graph. Before that, I will see who all have replied me the answer. Anushri, Ashish, Vijay Lakshmi, Gyan Sagar Vidyapit, Adarsh, Krupa, Ayush, Vachana, Manikant. Good. I think Manikant, you are today first time you have replied something. Thank you, my dear. Suma, Jyoti, Aditya, Shunga, Prabodhini, Manapriya, Navit, Rutu, Anushri, Hugar, Srishti, Jyoti Nironi, Suma, Gunda Reddy, Srishti Venkatpur, Ashish, Sharan Pujari, Shri Ganga, Adarsh, Ayush, Asmita, Khushi, Anushri Hugar, Rakesh Reddy, Ashish Kingi, so good, Sanjeev Katti, Nikhil, Sidram, Ananya, Samarth Prabha. So everyone, very good. Sujana, then any name missing? Yeah, Sharan Pujari, Shetty, Santoshi Bai, Pandre. Okay, fine. Yes, Mahavir, Silu, Ziaul. So everyone, very good, highly appreciable. I hope now everyone done with the first problem. So I'll not waste much time. Shall I proceed for the second one now? Ready? Yes. Let me go for now second question. So this is about first problem solution. Now let us look at problem number 2. So now I'm not going to solve what is the text value and all procedure. You have to tell me the answer quickly. Note down the given equations. Tell me whether it is coincident or parallel or intersecting. Question number 2. X minus y equal to 8 and 3x minus 3y equal to 16. Whether it is coincident, parallel or intersecting. So anyone have solved? Okay. Anish has solved, I guess. Anish Kulkarni. It has no solutions. It has parallels and the system is inconsistent. Excellent, my dear. Solve this. Okay, others, what about others? Yes, they are replying one by one. Okay, good. Anushri, Ziaul, Adarsh, Khushi, Ashmita, Mahavir, Rutu, Sriganga, Srushti, Dayanand, Pramodini, Sushma, Manikant, Manapriya. Okay, fine. So let me look at the equations quickly. X minus y minus 8 equal to 0. 3x minus 3y minus 16 equal to 0. A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2. A1 value is 1 by 3 is equal to minus 1 by minus 3 is equal to minus 8 by minus 16. Minus cancel. 1 by 3 equal to 1 by 3 equal to 8 1 by 8 2 are 1 by 2. Both are equal. 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3 but not equal to 1 by 2. So A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 but not equal to C1 by C2. So the second condition, system is inconsistent and it does not have any solution, but graphically they represent parallel lines. But according to the question, if it is consistent only, we have to solve graph. But for our understanding, let us draw this graph. Ready? So let us solve graph. Parallel lines or something else. So let me draw this graph. Because in exam even they may ask, represent graphically. The question might be represent graphically and they may give these questions. Okay, quickly. The first one is x minus y equal to 8. So who will tell me what will be the values of x and y when x is 0, when y is 0? Simple, tell me. When x is 0, when y is 0, tell me what is the other value. And even 3x minus 3y is equal to 16. You may get one decimal value. One decimal value is enough so that I can represent in graph sheet. Some people what they do, they go for x and value in such a way that when I subtract with 16, it should be divisible by 3 table. Even that is one other way. You can go for one decimal value. X and y, again x is 0, y is 0. Anyone? Okay. Many of them have given the answers for first one. It is very simple. When x is 0, minus y will be equal to 8. Minus sign will be shifted to RHS, so this is minus 8. And when y is 0, it is plus 8. Therefore, point A point B 8, 0. Now tell me second one, when it is x and y 0. Rituraj has given first time answer, good. Veeresh Smartpati, Aditya Oja, Sanvi Katti, Rakesh Reddy, Navit, Sharan Pujari, fine, good. Now tell me the second one. This is very simple, x and y 0 means it is 8. What about this? It is 16. If it is 15, very easily, 3 ones are 3 5s are 3 ones are 3 minus 5s are. But here it is 16. One decimal value, can anyone tell me? What is 16 by 3, Mr. Darshan? One decimal value, tell. 3 ones are 3 5s are 15. One carry. 5.3, I guess. Darshan, check whether it is 5.3. Non-terminating repeating. Again, your ninth standard concept. Denominator, if it is 3 and all, usually we'll get in terms of like 0.3 and all. Its numerator is even. Yes, 5.33. Anushri has said. And even Darshan. Okay, let me check. See, when x is 0, actually this equation will become minus 3y equal to 16. Then y equal to minus 16 by 3. 3 ones are 3 5s are 15. Carry 1. Put decimal point 10. 3 3s are 9. 5.3. One decimal is enough. Minus 5.3. And this will be plus 5.3. When I draw the graph, 5.3 I can represent, because if you take 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5.1, 5.2, 5.3. Okay, so in that way I can represent. Other way, in different solutions, what they do, they take the value of x and y in such a way that when they subtract with 16, it should be divisible by 3. But it takes a lot of time. So to avoid that, I went for this simple procedure. So complete this. Let me go for graph. So when I draw the graph, x and y values are more important. See here, maximum x value is 8. There is no any negative x value, but y we have negative, only negative. There is no positive y value. So I can reduce the positive y axis. I can take maximum 2. Then denominator means to the origin towards down, I can take up to minus 9. So let me draw that graph. Meanwhile, even you can try. And there is no negative x-axis. So what I'm going to do, 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit, both x and y. Since there is no positive values of y, I'll just take 1 or 2. 2, 1. Origin will be here. Meanwhile, you can draw minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, 1 extra, minus 9, y dash. So from origin, there is no negative x-axis, but maximum value is 8. So 1 extra again I have to take. So what I'm going to do, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Approximately I'm taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is x-axis, x dash, origin. Okay. So now let us represent the points. X value 0, minus 8. X value is terminated to 0, and here it is minus 8. So this is point A. Next 8, 0, somewhere here, point B. I will take blue ink, or I will take red better. So whether it will join, let us see. So let me draw this. Okay. So this is my first line. Second is 0, minus 5.3. 0, 5, 1, 2, 3 approximate. Here I will take point C. Then 0, 5.3, 0. 5.3 means somewhere here. This is point D. So I can join this C and D. Approximately I have taken. Okay, so you can solve point D somewhere 5.3. So if you look at this graph, okay, both will be parallel to each other. Both the lines will be parallel to each other. So what is the first line? First line is about x minus y equal to 8. Second equation, 3x minus 3y equal to 16. So both lines are parallel, so only that does not have any solution and system is inconsistent. So complete this graph, everyone. Complete it. But according to the question, need not to solve parallel, but for our understanding, we are solving it parallelly. So scale also is important. Write down scale, compulsory. X-axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. Y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. So this is how we solve. Third one, they said consistent. So consistent means whether it is dependent or it has infinitely many solution or unique solution. Abhijit, okay. Anushri Rugar said intersecting lines, unique solution, and it is consistent. Okay, then we have to see that. So first complete this. I hope everyone are done with the graph. Much time? I will note down the question number. So that consistent or inconsistent you can do. I will solve directly graphical solution. So that will be more time saving. You just check roughly whether it has unique solution or coincident and all. I will go for directly graphical representation. So let me check graphically. So many of you have said no, sir, it is intersecting 2 by 4, 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, not equal. So first only unequal means it is understood it is intersecting line and it has a unique solution. See what I'm going to do in this question number 3 is take that constant to RHS. When you are solving graphically, what you have to do, see minus 6 is in the LHS. For my calculation to be easier, I will take first that to the RHS. I will write this as 2x plus y equal to 6. Okay, again when x is 0, y is 0, try. The next equation is 4x minus 2y equal to 4. Again same, when x is equal to 0, to 0. Tell me what are the points? When x is 0, it is 6. Yes. When x is 0, y value is 6. When y value is 0, 2 1s are 2 3s are, x value is 3. So I can write point A as 0, 6 and point B 3, 0. Second one, when x is 0, be careful. Minus 2y equal to 4. 2 1s are 2 2s are, minus y equal to 2. Value of y will be minus 2. In hurry, if you write 2, the whole solution goes wrong. You will not get a unique solution. So then, when y value is 0, 4x is equal to 4. 4 cancels. It is 1. Am I right? When y value is 0, whether x is 1 for second equation, yes or no? Quickly, who will tell me? Yes, y value is 1. Right. Who has said that Anushri y equal to 2? How? It is minus 2 Anushri. Plus minus, and that is what I am saying, repeating. Be careful in plus and minus sign. So point C will be 0, minus 2, and point D will be 1, 0. Point D will be 1, 0. So complete this, then I will. Maximum x value is 3, no negative. Y value we have negative, that is minus 2, and maximum is 6. Let me draw the graph. Meanwhile, even you can solve. Y dash, x dash, x with origin. So positive value of x maximum is 3. So I'll take one extra. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There is no negative, so just I'll take 1 minus 1. Y value we have minus 2, so I'll take minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 1 extra, y dash. And the maximum is 6, y value. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1 extra, 7. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. X-axis and y-axis both 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. So let me draw the graph then. A point 0, 6, point A, point 0, point B 3, 0. Join that. Join AB. Okay, we have joined AB now. What is next? Point C 0, minus 2 here. Point D 1, 0 somewhere here. According to this point, see, you may get only up to this. Don't leave here. This is most important when you take x and y value as 0. C and point when you have joined, see nowhere it is intersecting. Then how to intersect? Anyone can tell me? What should I do? If you look at that graph, different one, correct? But how to? You said it is intersecting, but nowhere it is intersecting both the lines. Line 1 is somewhere here at the first quadrant. Line 2 is somewhere in the fourth quadrant. What should I do? Extend. Ayush Maharkar. Excellent, my dear. Correct. Then how to extend? Simply, however I wish. From this point C and D, extend it till it intersect the first line. See, look at how I'm doing. Keep the scale along the line CD with the point CD. Extend here. So when I extend, somewhere it is intersecting. It is called as point B. This is how you have to do. In exam, if both the points doesn't intersect, you have to extend it. Even if you are interested, you can find this point. What are this point P, x, y? The same way they form the word problems here. Whatever x and y point you will get, okay, that will be like number of students. There are how many boys and girls are there in a class and all word problems. Okay, in that. So complete this. I hope you have understood. See, when you draw the graph, C and point D will be in the fourth quadrant only. But according to the theory part, they are intersecting lines. So what you have to do? From CD, you have to extend the line. So you have to extend the point. Completed? Yes, everyone has said extending. Good, Vijay. Fine, then complete this. What about last one? Anyone? Then we'll go for our important task. As we said, one activity question. Who will tell me what is the fourth one? It has no solution. Okay, then if it has no solution, you can stop there. Need not to draw the graph. If assignment. If not, keep it as usual. But as I said yesterday, we'll have one task, no? Yes, it is inconsistent. Scale you have to write, Mr. Rahul Patil. Good, you are active in the class. Scale you have to write it. Because in exam, you will score marks. Correct, no? No solution, exactly. The last problem is inconsistent because 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 2 but not equal to 2 by 5. So 100% it will be having no solution and inconsistent. Need not to draw the graph and all. You can stop there. Yes, now we'll go for our activity problem. Yesterday I said to something. What if I draw all the 3 conditions in one single graph? So even I have done one assignment. I hope you can see this. Right? I hope everyone is watching this. There is some blue pen, black, and red. Blue pen represents intersecting lines, black pen represents parallel lines, and red pen represents coincident line. So this is how I can represent all the three conditions in one single graph. Patience, framing of the question, joining the points, because there are so many points. If you look at this here at 6, I hope everyone is watching this point 6. If you look at B, D, yes, there are totally 3 points which are intersecting at point 6. It means 0,6 common. So at that time, how you represent, it should be systematic. You should not use too much eraser and all. So are you ready for this? Ready to solve this problem? Yes. Okay, fine. So quickly note down the question first. You can take it as an activity question. Note down the equations fast. Okay. First one, I hope it is visible. Yes. X plus 3y is equal to 6 and 2x minus 3y equal to 12. Second question, x plus 2y equal to 4 and 2x plus 4y equal to 12. 2x plus 3y equal to 9 and 4x plus 6y is equal to 18. Note on this problem. Note on the problem. Meanwhile, I will draw this table x, y, 0, 0. Same here. X, y, 0, 0. Same even for the next two problems. X, y, x, y, 0, 0 diagonally. And for the last one. So note down question. So some students can solve this and tell me the values. Amarja Bhima Kaveri, ABC section, tell me the values of this. Next 3 section, Madhai Netravati, Krishna, second one. You tell me what will be the values of y and x. And Sharavati and Tungabhadra, go for third one. Tell me the values. I can give you 3 minutes time. Yes. 3 minutes time. First, note down the question systematically. I will repeat it. First question is x plus 3y equal to 6 and 2x minus 3y equal to 9. Second question is x plus 2y equal to 4 and 2x plus 4y equal to 12. Last question is 2x plus 3y equal to 9 and 4x plus 6y equal to 18. Okay, many of them are saying me the answer. See, don't worry about it has a unique solution and all. We'll see. When I draw the graph, I can predict whether it is unique or parallel or coincident. Tell me the y values so that we can go for graph. Yes, many of them are saying 2, 6 and all. Okay, let me write the answers then. When x is 0, 3 ones are 3 twos are. When y is 0, 6. So point A, 0, 2. Somewhere I will write so that when I draw the graph, it will be easy for me. Shall I write here? Is it visible? Okay, here I will write point A, 0, 2 and point B. What is point B? 6, 0. First I'll write here 6, 0. Next, when x is 0, minus 3y equal to 12. 3 minus sign, be careful, minus sign, so minus 4. When y value is 0, 2 ones are 2 6 are. So C point 0, minus 4, D point 6, 0. So first line it is done now. y equal to 3. Which question? 2.5 and all. I think you have said for third one. Let me see. Again, when x is 0, y value is 2. When y is 0, x value is 4. Again, when x is 0, 4 ones are 4 threes are. When y is 0, 2 ones are 2 6 are. So this I will represent as P point, P 0, 2, Q 4, 0, R 0, 3, S 6, 0. Last one, odd numbers. See, when x is 0, it is understood 3 ones are 3 threes are. But when y is 0, 9 by 2, simple, 4.5. Then again, when y is 0, 4 ones are, check what is 18 by 4. When x is 0, first is when x is 0, 6 ones are 6 threes are. See, both the points are same now, 0, 3, 0, 3. Now when y value is 18 by 4, 4 ones are, 4 fours are 16. 2 is reminder, decimal point 0, 4 5s are 20, 4.6. Look at the points. Look at the coordinates of both the equations, 0, 3, 4.5, 0. By seeing the points only, I can say it is coincident. So generally I will take them as m and n points, 0, 3 and n of 4.5, 0, which will represent both the equations. By this only I can say this is understood, but which one is coincident and parallel? Whether first one or second one? I think first one is second question when x is 0. Tell me, this is coincident, no doubt. This is coincident. What about first one? Whether intersecting? First one, what is it? Is it intersecting or parallel? Siddharam, first one is what? Is it intersecting or parallel? Condition note it. I have said you 1 by 2, 3 by 3, 3 by minus 3 it is. 1 is not equal to minus 1. Understood? It is intersecting. Unique solution. United States of America, both US. Okay, unique solution. Yes, intersecting understood. And Sharan Pujari. This one, 1 by 2, 2 by 4 also, 1 by 2, 4 by 12. Okay. First two are equal but not equal to the third condition. I can say parallel. Fine then. We have done now theory part. Now graph is more important. Okay, so for quickly, when you go for graph, as I have given you, see here, you can analyze later. What you do, take 2 centimeter scale. Okay, take 2 centimeter scale. I hope this graph is visible for you. Y-axis 0 to 4. Okay, 0 to 5 you can take, because somewhere we have one 4.5 value. Okay, somewhere we have 4.5 value. Do it. So one extra, and coming to the negative axis, again minus 4. Since there is no any negative x value, you can draw only positive y-axis with the 2 centimeter equal to 1 unit. Take scale now, 2 centimeter equal to 1 unit. Quickly complete. Till then, I will note down the points so that for me, graph solution will be easy. Draw the graph. Take scale. X-axis and y-axis. 2 centimeter equal to 1 unit. So point A 0, 2. Point B 6, 0, and point C 0, minus 4, and point D 6, 0. This I have written with black ink for my understanding, which represents intersecting. For parallel, I will take blue. Point P 0, 2, and Q 4, 0, and R 0, 3, and S point is 6, 0. Red I will represent coincident line. Red I will represent coincident line. So M and N common, M point 0,3 and N point 0,4. Sorry, N point 4.5, 0. M and N 0,3 and 4.5, 0. So now quickly let me draw the graph. So go for graphical solution quickly, everyone. So you can write this as 1, 2, 3. So let me go now graph. .5 we have along x-axis, no? Maximum y point is 3, 1 extra, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now this will be origin. -1, -2, -3, -4, 1 extra, -5. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 extra, 7. That is x-axis. This represents y-axis. Negative if you go. Is there any negative x value? No. Just one I will take, -1, -2. So this is x dash. Okay. Black ink represents intersecting. Okay, 0,2. This is origin 0,2. This is point A. Point B 6,0. So this is point B. Don't write advance 0,2 and all. It is understood ABCD for first line, then PQRS for the second, and M and N for the coincident. So join this AB point first. Okay, then what is CD? 0, -4. Point C here. Point C 0, -4. Point D again same. B and D both are one and the same. They are intersecting. Again join this. First line is done now. That writing equations and all will do at the last. Black ink represents intersecting line. Now intersecting is done. It is blue. Let me draw with blue now. 0,2. Again see here. Point P is also same. Somewhere I'll write here. Point P. Q is 4,0. Point Q. So join P and Q. Okay, then 0,3 R. Here it is point R. Again see point S also. B point, D point, and S point all are intersecting at 6,0. Join these two. See now parallel lines. You can extend bit line so that you can differentiate. Yes, parallel line also done. Intersecting, black ink, blue ink, parallel lines. Left out with last but not the least with the red ink, coincident line. Again 0,3 M point, same here, R comma M. N point 4.5, 0 somewhere here, exactly at the midpoint. M and this is N. Join this with red ink, M and N. So this red ink represents coincident line. Red ink, coincident line. Blue ink, parallel. And black ink represents intersecting lines. Okay, so here you can write x and y axis 2 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. And if you have time, as I have represented in this, I will send you this photocopy, need not worry. Whatever lines are there, you can write those equations along with this scale. So this is how we complete the activity problem. So this is the first activity problem. Okay. Now check everyone. Is that clear? Yes, sir. Okay. Thank you. I hope that everyone is clear with this. So now almost graphical part and second exercise is done. Tomorrow we'll go for the algebraic methods, that is the substitution method and elimination method. Thank you everyone for your kind cooperation and giving me the exact answers. Have a nice day. See you tomorrow.